My friend, if you're tired of spending hours and hours analyzing the market every single day just to place your trade and for it to not work out and for you to lose your money, then welcome to the video. You are in the right place. Today, I am happy to present you with an amazing opportunity for you to finally change the tides and finally start making money on binary options. Now, this is not a magic solution. This is a tool that has access to 5 different markets so you can trade on whatever market that you want. And also this tool has over 8 time frames available for trade at all times of the day. So this tool is working 24/7. It's going to provide you with a full breakdown of a trade that you are requesting. It's going to confirm your own analysis if you're doing that, or it's just gonna simply make your life easier if you want to trade with a reliable tool. But also automating your trades is something that we couldn't even dream of 5 years ago. Today, AI made it possible for everybody to make money, and all you need is simply to have the right tool by your side. And I honestly believe that this might be the tool. And if you want to try it out, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram at @entry_pro. But also, I don't want to downplay the importance of actually having the knowledge. So if you want to gain the knowledge for trades, and if you want to be confident every single time you go into your trade, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. I have a trading group. Me and my team are performing daily trading sessions, daily tutorials, trade breakdowns, and much more, all completely for free. So if that's something that you want to get a hang of, if you're tired of losing, if you finally want to turn it around and start making money, then check it out. The link is in the description below. And now I'm gonna stop talking, and I actually want to show you what this tool is all about and how you can start making money today. So let's jump into it. All right, so here we are. We have, as usual, the tool on the right, pocket option on the left. I'm making these videos for people who still hesitate, maybe they're not sure. I want to show you that this tool is indeed able to provide you with a nice analysis and a super accurate signal. So let's dive straight into it. As I mentioned, 5 different markets: real market, OTC market, crypto, stocks, and commodities OTC. You can trade on any of these. I always say, if you are a beginner, if you're just getting into trading, you have no idea what's going on, don't trade on all of these. Stick to real market and OTC market. Those will do just fine for you until you have enough expertise and enough knowledge to perform the trades on other markets. So let's go straight into it. Let's go to OTC market and perform our first trade. Now, you don't need a lot of trades every single day. All you need is just a few select one that will perform well for you. So let's go to Australian dollar, United States dollar. What we have here, we have a level here, and let's select 1 minute because I want my trades to last 1 minute, but you have 8 time frames that you can choose from. And of course, we're going to expand this. This tool is being updated every single day, so we're working to make sure that you get the smoothest experience when you're trading. So let's go. 1 minute is our time frame, and that is pretty much it. Now we press start analysis. The tool will perform the analysis for us and give us the suggested direction of our trade. So there it is. We have a sell position trade. Awesome oscillator displays red bars below the 0 line, indicating strong bearish pressure. And as we can see, exactly that, we have a strong bearish candle appearing here. We placed $1,000. This is going to yield us nice little 920, and the signal is accurate for around 30 seconds after you receive it. So what you can do is, if you see that the candle is going above your entry point, you can place more trades. And now that we're in the 30-second mark, I'm going to stop this. Just in case, you always want to have something to fall back on. Don't place all of your trades in one place. Also, remember, 5% of your entire balance is what you want to place on a trade when you're trading, not more than that. So make sure to account for that. Now we are approaching the first trade. Unfortunately, we took a loss. However, we still have 3 trades here lasting for us 25 seconds, and I think we're gonna make some nice profit. I'm not worried about the first loss. This is exactly why I only placed 1,000 on my first trade, because I was expecting the price to go up. And once you start learning a little bit, you will also understand when it's time to put more money on a trade, when it's time to put less money on a trade. But a general rule of thumb, as I said, place not more than 5% on one trade. So there we go. we have it done, nice and easy. We make all this money here. We'll take a loss on the first trade, but that's fine because we recovered all the losses, and in the end the price did go down. Now let's go to our next trade. Let's do another one. All right, it is Monday, so it is only right that we also hit up real market. So let's find a good payout first. Euro Canadian, do we have it? Yes, we do. It's right here. So we select it, we click on it, we select the time frame that we need. It is 1 minute for us, and we press start analysis. And now we wait for a few seconds. We wait for the analysis to come in, and in a few seconds you're going to receive it. There it is, sell position. I'm gonna place 1,000 and place another one as the candle continues to climb, but I'm also expecting a pretty strong rejection, and this is since this is our level of resistance, and the price is going to get stopped out. And if you want to learn how to spot these levels, what are these levels, and how you can turn these levels into money, then make sure to check out my trading group. The link is in the description below. We do daily trade breakdowns. We break down different strategies, different indicators, and much more, all completely for free, so you can be a part of that as well. So don't hesitate to become a member and see for yourself how trading can be profitable. Now we have 20 seconds to go. Once again, the candle is very hesitant, not a lot of move here, but as you can see, the robot also gives you the analysis. RSI exits the overbought zone while stochastic cross downward and EMA 50 trends lower. These are all the signs of a downward trend, and this might be close trade, but I think we should be easily getting this money. And there it is, another profitable trade, and this is another $1.6 thousand off a trade, and we already profiting really well with 5 trades in and only 1 loss. The robot is continuing to perform at a great level. All right, let's do one more trade. As I said, do not over trade. Make sure to always set the goals for your trading sessions. For example, if you're starting with $20, make a goal to make it to 50, for example, right? Make it to 50 first, then make it to 100. Now from 100 you are looking to make to 200, and then start setting yourself milestones, but make sure that they are realistic. Some people coming into the market with $50 and they set a goal to make 1,000 by the end of the week. Now that is probably not happening unless you're really lucky, but this is not what we're doing here. We're not gambling. This is not about luck. This is about precision. This is about timing the market. This is about performing the analysis and knowing where the price will go, and then if something goes wrong, you are able to react to that and save your money and maybe even gain more money. So this is what we're focused on. So let's do final trade. Let's find another asset. All right, for the final trade, I really don't want to go for real market. Everything that's happening in the world is not really helping the market be stable. So let's go ahead back to OTC market. OTC market is where this robot really shines, because it is able to parse the information directly from pocket option and give you a signal that is 87% accurate. So let's go ahead and find our entry. Now, as always, we want to find a good payout first. So let's go and look at some of these Great Britain pound Japanese yen. Do we have it available in here? Not at the moment. And United States dollar Canadian sideways market. Did we trade on that? No, we didn't. So let's go to United States dollar Canadian. We select it, we press 1 minute. Now this is not an easy market to trade in, as you can see. A lot of movement here, and then also we are kind of consolidating here. So we're gonna take a buy position as suggested by the robot. We're gonna place 1,000. MACD crosses above the signal line with momentum accelerating, indicating potential bullish pressure. So you will be able to learn what different indicators do. You will start understanding how these indicators interact with the market, what they do, what they present, and what type of opportunities they bring. This is going to be crucial for you in trading in general, and once you start getting a hang of these things, you are gonna start seeing things that are currently seem to you kind of obscure. Maybe you don't understand them, but once you start getting a hang of your trading, once you start understanding what different indicators do, everything will start to make sense. So it is better to start today, trade with this robot, gain some money. Meanwhile, be in my group, trade with me every single day during my trading sessions, and gain that confidence. And there it is. We could have placed more, but we went with one trade, $900. Once again, we made all this profit. This is over $4,000 of profit. We took one loss, but it is fine. So there it is, guys. There you have it. Super easy, super quick trading session. How much time did we spend? We spent 12 minutes in the market, which is pretty decent, and this is available for everybody. It is not gate capped. We should probably gatekeep it and charge people a lot of money. However, we do believe that nowadays everybody should be able to make money. Everybody should be able to trade. The days where you have to work 9 to 5 for 40 years are long gone, and now it's time to change. So if you're still old school, if you're still going to work every day, now it's time to get into it and start changing. Believe me, guys, this is the game changer. 5-10 years ago, you couldn't even dream of an AI trading robot predicting the trades and giving you 87% accurate signals. So don't hesitate, reach out to me, send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro. This is not the only robot that we have, by the way. This is definitely the most cutting edge one. However, we have 4 different robots for all types of market and all types of traders. So if there is something that you specifically want for yourself, you will most likely be able to find it in my trading group. So check it out. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I appreciate you, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.